Ufunani?
Yeah, it was a shipping, guys.
So unique. That's what you are. Lingerie reflecting off the mirror on the bar. Category sexy. I'm one of one. I'm the I'm number one. I'm the only one. Don't even waste your time trying to.
Oh son. Into endihappy yo. Guys, uNandi wenza amagwinya. Weather permits. Like kumnandi kusweet lemon. Oof. I'm gonna make coffee now. Take some guineas. Damn and yoika. Oh, love it. Love it so much. Anyway, hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, I don't even want to start this vlog properly. I am waiting for my vlog to go live now at 5. Today is the Sunday, 21 of June. Excuse me. I came back yesterday from my friend lunch birthday 40th. You guys are gonna see it on my previous vlog, which is the one that I'm waiting for it to go live. So yeah, I came back yesterday and I didn't edit, but I woke up this morning. I was like, it's cold. Maybe my people would appreciate having vlognyana to keep them warm. Plus it is like 1 hour 10 minutes long. So yeah, it's literally raining today. It's a Sunday. It's raining. Like it's raining. Okay, not that much, but yeah. So I was lazing around and then I was like, no way too, let me just edit and post. Yabo. So I'm currently watching Zizi and she's talking about the polygamist. It's the fact that I have a lot to say about the polygamist, but it's fine. Let's leave it at that. So I'm at a part where she's talking about she's doing a review of what she thinks and feels about the polygamist. And Sana, I went through it all Gula show, so I don't even want to talk about it. But yeah guys, let's start this vlog. Don't know what we're doing. Also I need to charge this. It's on 14%, so I quickly want to charge it so that by the time the vlogger ibe say right. Yeah. Also I still need to watch the current vlog, the one that I'm waiting for, to see the quality. Ugh, I'm so bored. Like I love this camera, I love it so much, but I think and boralendo ye brightness. I hope I figured it out. If I didn't figure it out, then I just have to reduce to 4K 30 and maybe shoot with 2K, I don't know, or rather just go to iStore. But yeah guys, let's start this new vlog. Kulung like a bye. Hi guys, let me close this door. Hi guys, I'm gonna pair up these perfumes today from Classic Scents SA. You guys remember this combo, right? Oh, it smells so good. I always get compliments when I am wearing this one. Classic Scents did a number on this one. Guys, I'm going to, what's the date today? Today is a Wednesday. I think I want to put on a jacket because I'm going to Tasha's for breakfast with Mrs. Crocs. I'm laughing because we've been planning this we've been planning this meetup since but yeah, abantu are busy guys. If we're being honest, people are busy, people are working, people are mothers, you know. So when you keep on saying like I still need to go on a lunch date with Upilile. I still need to go on a lunch date with Udeliwe. Those are my friends that I'm counting now. We keep planning, but we're gonna meet, and it does not happen. Now, where am I? I don't know, because I'm going outside. Should I wear it? Let me just carry it. I'm gonna carry this bag because I don't know how noisy the place is where I'm going. Let me put it here. Where is that thing to... Wait, guys, I'm gonna carry this bag. I am brown on brown. I just need to find shoes. I'm done. I just need to find shoes and that's it. So, let me spray it on my jacket. So anyway, what was I saying? I was saying that we as, like, my friends, I honestly want people who understand that we don't have to talk every day. Like, my friends, we don't talk every day because we're gonna end up gossiping. Sizogqibela sithetha ngabantu if si every day phoning every day. Why? What's the reason? Why are we on the phone every single day? Guys, my thing is they stay here. All my important things, my degree, my laptop, for my camera, my cameras, my chargers. Like, if you want to finish me, steal this. Aina Peche. What happened? Because I wasn't using it. Where's the charger? Okay, shoot the somewhere here. Let me charge it. Thank God. All my chargers, ama-gadgets wami nje ahlala kwinto eyi-1. Okay, let me charge my laptop. I don't know if I should start editing with my laptop, but I think if I start editing with my laptop, I just want to be bougie, but there's no need. This does the job. And what I like is that the quality is still the same. There's no difference. So unless I just want to be that girl, I'm editing. Like, I literally spent 18,000. Well, iyasebenza because I do transfer a whole lot of things in here. Like, when my 2 phones are full, I take everything and I transfer it here. Yeah, so I don't lose my pictures and videos that I like. But one day when I have money, I'll get a bigger laptop with a bigger space, and then I'll probably give this one to Uobuhle because Anati already has a MacBook. So yeah. What was I saying, guys? I'm a yap. So yeah, I was saying, me and my friend, we ended up talking about a whole lot of things. We ended up talking about friendship, and we actually just appreciated each other for not always complaining. Ongeza, this, ongeza, that. Deliver this, you know? Like, all my friends, even Upilile, the other day I was talking to her, she called me and we spoke for like an hour. And I was like, I'm actually so glad and so happy that I have friends who understand that, guys, we can't talk every day. You can't call me every day. You can text me every day. It's fine. You can. That I don't have a problem with. I always have my phone. I'm always on WhatsApp. You can. But the talking every day, it just doesn't make sense. I can't even do that. No muntu engijola naye. Sengibhizi manje ngisefonini every day for ini. Yo, like, guys, no. Some of us are going through life, like, life is showing us flames. We have every day kumele uvuke uplan ucabange ukuthi ngizoyenza kanjani le plan, ngizophumelela kanjani kulento engifuna ukuyenza. Okay, kumele ngenze kanje, kumele kanje. Manje wena uzongifonela ungixine ngendaba ye friendship or umjolo. Sibadala kanjena, yo. But anyway, I'm going to Uthando. This yap is actually about me appreciating the fact that we've been trying to, not necessarily trying, but we've been talking about it. We need to meet and have like a catch-up session and stuff like that. And no one felt like Thando is not making time or I'm not making time. No, we talk on the phone. Mrs. Crocs and I will talk. She's the only person who checked up on me when I moved from my apartment. She was like, "Girl, how are you? How are you doing?" Like, her message was so, I ended up saying, "Thank you. You don't know how your messages always make me feel better. Like, you always encourage me. Things are gonna get better. You're gonna be fine. You're doing great for you and your kids. I'm a message wakhe. So even at that time, when she checked up on me when I moved out of my apartment, her message really touched me, and I realized ukuthi it's not about meeting umuntu make genuine and enobuntu. It doesn't mean kumele nibe on each other's face, but I know ukuthi Mrs. Crocs, like, she's a nice person, she's a genuine person. She represents who God is very well, because there are people who talk about God every now and then, but they don't represent who God is. And sometimes you even wonder ukuthi uyazibona mara ukuthi ukhohlakele, but you forever talking about God. And there are very few people in this thing called life who represent who God is. Like okwamampela ukuthi yazi lo muntu lona akakho judgmentally, akakho akaphakeme, akakho njani nje. This person is just a sweet soul, and Mrs. Crocs is that person. So yeah, I'm happy I'm going to see her today. I know it's gonna be a vibe. So ngiyazi ngizobuya ngigqugquzekelekile. I'm joking, guys, but yeah, man, she's such a sweet person. I'll put her handle here so that you guys can go check her out on her channel and subscribe. Let's get it to 20k. Her channel is doing very well. Nina funeka ngize nginithethise, funeka ngize ngishawuse ngicela please subscribe. Yabo nje ama-city moms, hayi shem, Nina phumile kini. Guys, I don't want to keep her waiting. Our lunch is at 11. It's 10 and I'm done. It's 10 and I'm done. Love it for me. Guys, I don't recommend this wig. I don't recommend it. I bought it from Remo Hair Instagram page. Yeah, it's Remo Hair. And it was 5,500. Is it nice? Yes. Do I recommend it? No, I don't. It shreds a lot. Iya puma. Someone is gonna say yes, it's supposed to. It's water wave tabo. Niggas review yamla. This wig is, I don't recommend it. Mina personally. Do I need another weave? Another curly weave? Yes, clearly I do. So I've worn this twice. This week I've worn it twice, and I'm telling you now, I don't recommend it. So do with that information what you want to do with it. I mean, I've done my part. I don't recommend the wig. For a 5,500 wig, this is not an investment. I have wigs that I bought cheaper and I still wear them years later, 5 years later. I can still rock them and they look really, really good. One of them is that one. And I need to, well, some of you. So I personally don't recommend this wig. But yeah, let me look for shoes and then I show you guys what I'm wearing. This is how I look. I'm not sure what's in but I'm gonna check it on the mirror. It's not too tight. Yarn. Guys, this is my outfit. Move. This is how I look. Love it. Love it. I didn't have this vision in mind when I was buying this set, but because it's cold, I'm like, let me wear this set like this. Excuse me, and oof, love it. It came out really nice. But I'm done. Let's go. Sengivele ngazithela kwi-roadblock. Labo, I have amatikiti, guys. Do you know how I pay my tickets? Every time when I have to renew my disc, that's when I pay my tickets. Because obviously sometimes you find that there are tickets that are blocking me from renewing iDisk Moto. Then I pay amatikiti kanja. Guys, that's how I pay my tickets. Yabo manje, I am crossing my fingers, and obviously I need to stop this vlogging that I'm doing before nje ngibacasula, but i-roadblock engizithele kuyona. Thank God also I just spoke to Thando athi she's running a bit late because i-traffic la amaphoyisa guys, and ila ufike ungene emotweni afune Homa bengiyafi moya ingcwele. It's the GPS. It's the GPS. Let me stop vlogging before ngibacasula. But basa kude guys, ngaba lapha phambili. So I'm here. I don't know what's happening. I don't know what's happening to the... Guys, let me fix myself. I don't know what's happening to the light. I like using the light when I'm outside because I hope you guys can see me properly. But yeah, I am so hungry as well. So let me go wait for her and order my food and eat. Hi, how are you? I'm good, thank you. Oh guys, people are so nice. These shoes are actually so comfortable. And it's time this is guys, you know, boom. There is Tasher's, Zinobu. What's this place? Zinobu Mamish. And now I'm a baddie. Hi. I'm good, how are you? I'm joining someone, but I don't think she's here. Or she's inside. The lady. Let me go check. Hi mama. No, it's not her. It's not her, she's not here yet. It's fine. Can I have a cappuccino with cream, please? Yes. Then I'll order. Thank you. Guys, I don't think you guys are gonna hear me now because they're playing music. So I think I'll order food when she gets here so that I don't watch her eat and like I'm full. So I'm just gonna have a cappuccino and wait. We'll order both of us when she gets here. Anyway, bye guys. But say hi to the vlog.
Please, I'm late. Please. Guys, I'm not late.
You are not Jim. 10 minutes nyana. Awusemhle.
Fana nawe.
Cheers to the Campbells.
Safana nje, Jonga.
Safan, ewe. Twinsies. You inspired me to get this camera. Bukan guys, umuntu owenza singithengele camera. When the event, that's why I'm doing a premiere. Yes,
Look at that.
That's alone, and that's 70. So, oh, wonder. What are these buttons for? Because this, I was Zoom, go record. Then there's this and this, and this others and that's the battery out.
Now you must try.
For
You
loan.
must use the features.
But as long as the quality is right.
But do you also use it to move it?
Oh, that's how
Like you can do this.
How do
You
do
can
that?
zoom,
Oh.
and then you can also change it.
How did you do this one? This one. Oh.
So if ever ufuna phezulu, ufuna that, let's say when the
Mina kanti ndiyenza kanje. Like literally, I lift it up myself.
You just go to your face and you tap on it. Okay, ayenza.
Why you move?
Double tap now and keep tracking them.
Oh.
So now
Okay, girl. Never, guys, this meetup was needed. It was necessary because now I don't have to. Okay, how do you switch it off? Because it's tracking your face. Oh.
Then you just switch it off.
Do you double tap on it again? Guys, I've learned so many things in a minute. Efikile. Wow. Ngahlula singadlwanga. Yazi ungahlula singadlwanga.
Ndasifundisa sana. Ndadibana
Sifuna ushoot thumbnail. Oh, Sana, it could never be me. SD card full. Never ngakayithengele SD card.
I told you it's
in a
gonna
space
space.
sayo automatically. So I keep deleting.
in a space when you told
When I want to delete videos zakudala. Xa
Yes.
sewuziposting.
just delete just nje ndiyanqena like yabona le vlog ya last week
Une videos ezingaka. Oh, that is the last vlog.
yeah that's the vlog ya last week yabona the videos they are still here so zange ndizihlalele phansi ndizidelete so I have to just sit down ndizidelete.
We're taking pictures for the thumbnail. Girls who DJ us. Sana, we must buy a big camera now.
After this definitely
Hey, boyfriend. Zolinda wena.
Canon
Zolinda wena.
ndifuna uCanon
Ndizolinda wena because you inspired me to get this one. Ndizokulinda. Kanti bheka iquality yakho.
siyapha kuCanon
I-Canon bani? Oh, i-Canon iyabiza leyo.
you save up for it
Goma 50k.
sawuphelela kwezo 30 sawuphelela kwezo 30 sana
Awulamba. Mna ndiziseyile. Khange ndibe ndizazibandizela. ningananto anifuna into enenza nithi vram.
We are drunk by the Holy
Okay, girl. You're drunk by the Holy Spirit.
Drunk by the Holy Spirit.
She ordered a virgin cocktail and I ordered alcohol. So ndithi mna andiphuzi utshwala uthi we are drunk by the Holy Spirit. Usho sidakwa la yimi.
Sebenzi Holy Spirit. Apha kuthi. Saphuma apho.
Guys, I'm waiting for my cocktail. God knows I love him, but sometimes I need to watshintsha amanzi wawenza iwayini.
Niyithanda kakhulu leyo. Niyithanda leyo.
Iyasisebenzela. Guys, nisixolele yazini.
What like you?
Cheers to all. Siyasela ke thina esenza uholy Christ no holy devil. Holy devil. Kodwa iBhayibheli guys ithi funeka unganqi. That's what the Bible says. Don't get intoxicated because once you get intoxicated you are no longer in your senses. Then you are drunk and then God doesn't want that. So drink but usunxile.
Do not be drunk.
Be not be thina siyibaxa ngokunxila.
Nifuna ukunxila benza.
Awumali.
Inyani uba nifuna ukunxila.
Thanks Door.
Thank you so much.
Siyabonga ne?
Siyabonga kakhulu.
Bye. Sizothina ebantwini abangaphandle esitratweni. Ndifuna ilanga. Guys, we are done.
Bye-bye.
Bye to the vlog. Asihluthi. Yo. Ungabizi strange siye. Masisibheke phela. Ufunani? Guys, kuqhephuka ishades zakhe nezami ishades zakwaShein zaqhephuka and I bought another one namhlanje i-10 years.
I'm gonna make another order.
You wanna? I literally put same shades. We Chanel S different.
I think I must buy 2 pairs.
I-shades zase-Shein bengithetha ngazo on my vlog. I'm like, they're useless guys, we buy them but they're so useless. Ziyaqhephuka. Ungazilahli just in case uyifumane endlini ufake iglu.
Bye-bye,
But
guys.
iglu ayizu say bye. Bye bye baby.
Bye.
Love you too. I shall see you.
Abantwana bami.
Oh baby. Eso school drop off and pick up ndisamile kuso. Hi guys. I'm back home. Guys, it was my first time going out of the house without flat shoes or slippers or something. It was literally my first time. Ah! Sana njani Shein ndimwisa. Yo. Guys, I'm home. Oh, what a beautiful meetup, catch up with Uthando. What a beautiful meetup and catch up. Because hope we'll do it soon. I left my laptop charging. It's here on top of the bed. I think it's full now. Another thing that I want to take off is this week. I don't know whether I should take it off or I should take it off at home. Today is a Wednesday. I actually want to go home. Yeah, I showed you guys before I left. It's Wednesday. So the kids are closing school. So I'm thinking of going home to obviously spend time with my kids because the schools are closed and stuff like that. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do because I miss them so much. I miss them. Uzimase bendihleka athi wena uthe uzobuya ngoDisemba ukhathele ukuhlala emakhaya. I'm like, no, but I miss my kids. I need to stay with my kids. Like no, I'm angiko right, you know. So I am gonna go home. I'm just waiting for these people. They did send me a video yesterday. um they did send me a video. I really want them to fix this and add whatever that they need to add. Someone said I won't have space. I will have space to move around. And another thing that I was worried about is that when I open the drawers, let me show you guys. Can you see the drawers? I can open them fully, and so this gives me the space to move around. So I was worried that I won't be able to like fully open my drawers, but I actually can. Yeah, you guys can see, right? I actually can. So that's all that matters. Because on the sides it's fine. I have space here and I have space on the other side. Yeah, so that one is not a problem. I can move around even if they add, and yeah, I'll still have space to move around my bedroom. And someone suggested that I put the TV demounted. I think I want to do that, but let's just first see when the chest of drawers, the whole thing is done, and let's see if ndifuna ukuyimountela i-TV or ihlala lapha. I don't know, sizobona. But I think ukuyimountela, putting it on the wall actually makes sense because it'll give me a lot of space to decorate this. But then again, I don't like, I hope you guys have seen, I like minimalistic is what it's called. I don't like a busy house or busy bedroom or I need time to busy. I like nice spaces but less. Yabo. I think even in dressing, I'm just that person. Less is more for me. I don't style my clothes. I buy them and I just wear them as they are. Same applies with the way I furniture my space. I don't like too many no. So but yeah, we'll see. We'll do whatever that we need to do to make the space what I want. Yeah, well, I will be doing it with you guys. So yeah, I'm back home. I wanna send Utando a message and tell her that I'm got home safe, and check up on her as well because she was late to fetch her kids. So because we were catching up. So I wanna check up on her and see if she got home safe and stuff like that. I don't have much to do after this, so I'll probably pick up this camera tomorrow, or I don't know guys, but I'll pick it up whenever. I cannot wait to go home. I cannot wait. I cannot wait to see Oguhle. I cannot wait. Oguhle Olubanzi umbiza ngo-Oluhle. Hi Oluhle. I can't wait to see my Lubanzi. Oh man, like can't wait to see my kids. Yeah, the little ones. The old one ngiyamazi akanandaba nami loyo. Uzofika athi awubona ma abese qhubeka ne-life. So but the little ones, they're gonna be very happy. I hope I have money to buy Anatama perfume actually, now that I think about it, because the last time I went home, I ngangiphathele perfume. I don't know if he still has. Yeah, we're gonna do that. We're gonna do it together. But yeah, bye. See you guys tomorrow. The week is para. Pa. Guys, I got so nice and cute pictures. Tando carries iPhone 15 Pro Max, and the quality of her pictures is not the same as the iPhone 13 because she was taking me pictures with her phone. With my phone, man, let me show you mine. I'm like, okay, the quality is not the same, guys. Like undenze, I've been saying ngiyafisa ukuba ne-iPhone 17 ngiyayikhalela ngiyayithanda. I've never been the one who wanted to upgrade from iPhone 13 to 14, 15, 16 because for me they look the same. The design, obviously the quality and stuff, I'm sure it's not the same, but for me the design, I've never been interested to upgrade because I'm like, there's no difference yabo until you take a picture or video. But I've never ever wanted, like benganandaba phum 14 anginendaba, phum 15 anginendaba. But when 17 came, I was like, oof, Now the design is different from 13, 14, 15, 16. Then I'm like, yo, they like iPhone 17. But after she took me pictures of the iPhone 15, it made sense. Okay, definitely there's a difference. And I'm sure iPhone 17 pictures, scrumptious, yum. But so when I saw iPhone 17, guys, let me stop yapping because nizothi wena ungezwa uyathanda uthetha. Let me go post Instagram. Ayikho into engichaza njengokuthi ngibe ne-outfit enhle and then get nice pictures. Vele kube ngathi angazi ngiwina ilotho. Bye guys, I'll see you on the following day. Kulungile, bye. Hi guys, hi. Guys, I've decided, you guys know I usually coat water, but today I was like, no, I want this puffy look and see if I won't enjoy it, because I'm actually tired of this hairstyle, if I'm being honest, right? I'm tired of the hairstyle. I want to change it, but I'm like, it's still late, Sana. Can you guys see? Nebo? It's a shade, like literally, right? Okay, sure. So I'm like, let me enjoy my 500 Rand installation, because there's no need for me to take it out just because I don't like it anymore. So I kind of did this. Yeah, I think it looks cute. What do you guys think? And I'm not gonna change it because I'm going now. But anyway, hey guys, I'm running some errands. So yeah, guys, I was actually I was sending people's orders, perfumes, the other day, and I actually thought about this thing, Guti. A business wants you to show up for it every day, and I don't do that. I don't. Yes, I keep putting the black one, yet I have this one that I bought. I think this brown one, though, we all figured it out that day, Guti, it's actually not that strong. So I'm sure a lot of people in this channel don't know that. Well, not a lot, but few people. They probably don't know that I actually sell Dubai perfumes, because I hardly ever, I don't know if this is gonna make sense, because I already put the black one, and the black one is obviously more stronger than this one. 8 years in, I don't have time for this. So people don't know that. Well, some people, they don't know, because like for instance, now I'm wearing this, I'm gonna wear this perfume, and I sell these perfumes, you know. So my thing is, now I want to say that for those who are wondering how business is going, are you still selling your Dubai perfumes, your Pinifers? Yes, I am. But one thing about business, it needs you to show up for it every day. Business needs, apart from the tenders, right? If you've been here, then you know what I'm talking about, where you have to wait for them to send you an email. You send a quotation, you bid for that job, and then you get that job, and then sharp, all right. No, asikolap. I'm talking about the businesses that you sell something, you're selling something to the customer, and you are an online business like me, right? Yeah, I don't have a physical store. So in order for me to get customers, I need to advertise every day that you can get this perfume. You know, from me, it's this amount. Every day, your business needs you to show up for it, which I don't. I don't show up for my business. The people who usually send me money, I'm like, hey, I need perfumes. It's people who have bought before. They trust my perfumes. They trust whatever that I've recommended to them. Or sometimes they send me pictures. Would say, do you have this perfume? And I'm like, no, I don't have those ones. But how am I going to make money, and how is my business going to grow if I don't advertise? Business wants you to show up for it every day, whether you are in a good mood, you are in a bad mood, whether you have money that month, you're not that dry, so I grand, or even if like Every day you must wake up and post on all your social media platforms. Repeatedly so, doing the same thing. Sometimes on Pinifers, I have to post something that I've advertised before and go repost it again on my City Mom clothing brand thingy. And I don't know if I'm mentally strong for that. I know I once came here and I said, guys, I was one person who didn't like selling. I used to say that selling is not for me. I don't think I'm the one. I don't like umncenga abantu, nan. And then I realized that was pride and ego talking. That was just really pride. There's nothing wrong with selling. I don't know. I think I was also, selling has a stigma of when you are selling, you are poor. There's this bad stigma around selling that sikhule siyazi ba umuntu othengisayo ucaba yo uxakekile. And I was so mad at myself for not starting to sell anything for the longest time, because there's freedom into selling. Like on a random day someone will send 2,000 rand. On a random day, the following day, someone will send 1,000 rand. On a random day, someone will send you 1.5. If you calculate those monies and by the end of the month, do you understand how much money you would have made? So I came here and I said, thank God, God took out that proud character I used to have. No, selling is not for me. I'm not gonna sell. Selling is like this and like this, like this. And God said, sell. Start selling. Whatever in whatever you are doing when it comes to business, just start selling. Sell. And then I started enjoying the freedom of selling, and I was like, wow, I wish I could have started this earlier. Sharp. We passed that one. Now I'm at a phase in my business, all of them that I'm doing, where I don't show up every day because I'm not in the mood, because I'm tired, because I'm going through whatever in life, and then I'm not going to show for my business. So now I'm at a stage where now I need to push myself and pray again to God to help me to I think it's the spirit of laziness. It's fine, people know, but it's not everyone who knows. You can have 200,000 followers, not everyone knows you. You can have 1 million followers, not everyone knows you. So you need to show up for your business every day, which I do not do, and it's frustrating me because I don't know how to go around it and stuff like that. But there's just not much to do than just rather get on with it. Don't nurse your feelings. Don't do things because of your feelings. Show up for your business. That is the part I'm struggling in, and I don't know if ngizophumelela kuyona, because yeah. Someone said advertise your perfumes. I'm like, I've been doing that for the longest time in this channel. But was the person wrong? No, they were not, because they probably knew and they hear me saying I sell perfumes, Dubai perfumes, Arabic perfumes, your replicas, your whatever. They probably hear me say that, but we don't see you advertising them. We don't see you showing us. That's because I'm tired. Ngikhathele. I'm tired. I am tired. You get ngikhathele. I am ngila business lindlela. Business. Yo. I'm yapping because I need to go fetch a Pinafas, and and I just need to run errands. I'll run errands with you guys. But yeah, for those who, I'll forever say this, because for those who don't like yapping, I'm sorry. This channel, I'm a single mom, right? I started this channel after I had my 3rd child, and I needed extra money. And along the way of want extra money, I decided to open or register a company called City Mom. My company is registered, by the way. I don't call myself City Mom just for the fun of it. I did go the right way because I already have a company, so I know what to do, so that one day no one comes and says I'm City Mom and then I didn't register my business sharp. So I started the channel because I needed extra money, and and I am getting extra money from YouTube. But then again, I realized that I can actually use the same platform where that's the same platform that pays me. I can also use it to advertise something and get more money now, because there's a saying that says money is with people. Imali sebantwini. So you will get money from people. So just sell something, just do something. That's where you will get money. So then I realized, oh, I call my channel whatever, City Mom Diaries, what can I do? I'm like, I'm a stay-home mom. I love traditional clothes, hence the pinafores came, the City Mom t-shirts and whatever that I'm selling. So I realized that I can make money by posting on YouTube, get money from Google, and also get money from the people who watch me by selling them a product. So if you have a problem with us yapping for 10 minutes, I have my platform mostly is people who are single mothers who I need to kutaza here and there, now and then, that guys, we single mothers, we are going through it, but the only way we can survive in Ramaphosa's economy, don't rely on your salary if you're working and you have a 9-to-5 job. Do something, because money is never enough when you have kids. When you also have kids with people who just check out and be like, I'm not gonna take care of that child. You dollar what you must. You the one who decided to keep the baby. So I've said that I kept my kids and did not abort them because I knew it was so yeah, I need to come here now and then and say, guys, in this channel we work, we hustlers, we do whatever that we need to do to get money in this channel. We plug each other. I've done a lot of that. I've done a lot of plugging. Guys, I've started selling, I've joined the perfume co. Okay, why? Saying Yegile, guys, I'm not going to explain why Yegile, but I'm not there anymore. Okay, I've started to buy perfumes. Okay, I'm selling pinafores now. Okay, I'm doing, because I want you, when you are watching me, learn to be multitasking with your life. Multitask, make money. Am I financially stable? Definitely not, because I would be living in my double-story house by now. But we trust in God that in whatever the seeds that we are planting, something will come up. There are obviously other things that I do that I cannot come here and be like, hey guys, I'm doing this to make money, because I need them to first materialize and actually see, okay, is this something worth me plugging you guys with? Okay, but nonetheless, to those who don't say your vlogs, most of the time you're talking, I'm sorry, I have to sometimes. Like now, I need to tell people, Uguti, I'm in a bit of a funk when it comes to my business. I'm failing when it comes to this department. Am I still on it? Yes, but I'm kind of slacking on this department, because business has different phases and levels. In order for you to reach a certain level, you need to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I feel like I'm not reaching my potential of or being big or being known by a person or because I do not show up for my business ngendlela ekumele ngithi show up for yona ngakhona. So like I always say, I'm a person who does an introspection and find out why am I not making so much money in this, or why is this not progressing the way ekumele ukuthi progressing ngakhona. And then with my introspection, I obviously get answers no, but you are the problem. You don't post every day. A week can go past by without showing up on your socials, posting your businesses. Then how are you gonna get new people? So, but yeah, we're done with that yapping. Let us go, and I hope it will help someone out there who's struggling in business. And yeah, so that's about it. I don't really like the scandal. I don't know why, because it is my type of a perfume, which is floral, but it's not my favorite. Yeah, it's not my favorite, but love it so much. So for those who don't know, I sell perfumes. Yo, I've yapped enough, so let me take my bag get into my car. For those who still support me, whether I'm posting or not, thank you. May your pockets never run dry. For those who are still supporting me, even when I'm not posting, when I'm not showing up for my business, may your pockets never run dry. And thank you for trusting my services. Okay guys, bye. Anyway, this is how I look. Guys, these shoes, zimoshakele, but I'm gonna wear them anyway. This is my look. I'm wearing those legging sets from Shein, and I'm carrying this bag. I always have to carry this bag now. I actually need to buy bags from Mother K that are bigger because of the camera and stuff now. Because I'm always carrying one bag, like what the hell. But this is my feet, guys. I cooked amadumbe when my mom was here. Uthando ungibonisile lento ukuthi ngiyenza kanjani. Okay, 9 the zoom. Okay, to change yes, got it. When I was here, my mom when my mom was here the last time, guys, was phathela amadumbe. So ngasabolilanyana amanye awekho right, but amadumbe awahluphi because what you do is you just, like, when you start eating them uzoyiva idumbe wrong, like amajenge. So abiza ngamajenge ngesixhosa. I don't know bake nina nowabiza ngantoni. So I wanna double check if everything is locked in this house so that I can leave. Yeah. So yeah, let me go and I'll eat them when I come back. If I'm being honest, I just wanted to cook them because the other day I bought sweet potato upatata. So I was like, no, before I cook upatata, let me first finish the thingamajig. Yeah, this tofu is dishile, and yeah, let me look. And we go. Today is a Friday. I don't have money to be on the street. I don't have money to be on the street and galavanting. So I actually don't want to spend money because I want to go home to my kids. So we are not doing the spending because we need to go home. Guys, my full tank is now 1,600. My full tank used to be 1,200 when I just bought my car, right? Time it didn't lock my car. Hey, it was 1,200. If full tank yam. Hamna tu. 1,200. We are done. Yonyuka ipetrol. Yonyuka ipetrol. Uramaphosa wanyusa ipetrol. Now my full tank is 1,600. Like, why? Make it make sense. Make it make sense. Yeah. Hi bandla. Hi kuningi. Did I put this right? Kuningi, guys. It's a lot. It's a lot. And going home, the petrol that I need when I go home, I obviously need to pour twice before I get home. Hey, but let's go, guys. Let me stop yapping. Yeah, I need this phone. And let's go. Kulungule, bye. Hi guys, I got myself some matcha I'm actually parked outside Nando's. I want to get Nando's. So I got my normal matcha and love this one. I don't want to drink it because I'm gonna get full. I also got this caramel. I want to try it because I feel like I'm always buying one thing, matcha. It's actually good, but I'm gonna put one in the fridge. And yeah, I'm gonna put one in the fridge for later. For now, I wanted to buy KFC, but I just saw Nando's now. I'm like, I haven't had Nando's in a minute because usually I just buy whatever that is in front of me when I'm hungry, and it's usually KFC because one thing about KFC, you'll find it anywhere and everywhere. So this thing is moving. I think so I wanna buy Nando's and then continue. But this guy is not answering his phone, and I'm sorry, he did say he's not done with one pinifa. Can I just give him this day? Because I was like, can I just, because okay, another thing, I'm around the hood, so I'm like, let me come get. So akabambi phone, maybe manje uzitshela ukuthi mina ngimfakele pressure because he did say come tomorrow, which is Saturday. And I wanted to get Penify so that I can advertise and maybe show you guys. I don't know. I'll do it tomorrow. Or ngizomzama again. Let me just grab food. I'll try him. I'll try him again. If akabambi phone, then I'll come back tomorrow to get the Penifys. But now I don't know if I'll have the strength. So go kusasa. I will. I don't have a choice. Guys, I'm yapping. Bye. I'm back. Is it recording? I'm outside this guy's thingy. I went there to feed. Well, I wanted to take one pinifa, but what's happening? Oh God, guys, the way this camera is so sensitive, little things there. Okay, anyway, I'm explaining now. I also couldn't get Nando's because I went to Nando's. They didn't have izinto zokwenza ibhega. I said, okay, give me chicken wrap. They said they don't have izinto za chicken wrap again. I was like, hey, Nando's enjani kanle? I know you, but you can buy meat. I'm like, no, I don't want meat. I don't like meat. Angithandi ukudla inyama yodwa. Khona uthe umxhosa onjani ongathandi inyama? I'm like, yeah, no, I'm a different one. I'm not that person. So I'll just grab actually there's KFC here. Is the drive-thru open? I think it is. Let me check. Ay mana wena. Let me grab myself some KFC. I'll come here tomorrow. Actually, I did well for coming because there's a pinifa alenze rongo. So now he's gonna fix it. I even told him ukuthi yabona ukuthi ngiyenze kahle ngeza because now you're gonna fix the pinifa area. It's fine. You're not going. Awuhambi. Oh, okay. What do I want? Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Unjani sis? Ngiyaphila. Ngicela i-box master meal.
Box master meal.
Yeah, normal fillet, ne? Not izinga box master.
Okay.
Yeah. Bodlel. Stone. Stone.
Stone,
What do you have?
Coke Zero, Sprite, Fanta.
Okay, ngicela iFanta.
Okay.
Nama sprinkle pops amakhulu ne?
Okay.
Alright, thanks. Bye.
Thank you.
I drive through yala incane. I won't be able to do this. Hey guys, I'm back home. I have so many things. Ngingcolisa imoto yami guys, bukani. Oh, waze wakude umfana. For ukuthi azothi iblend engifuna ukunibonisa yona nansi. Thank God I figured this thing out. Well, uThando helped me. Niyayibona? Konje uThando uthe ngizuma kanjani? This is up, this is down. But you guys can see, right? Bukani. Hayi ndilixele ku. Anyway, I'm back home. Yeah, guys. Oh, nice. Guys, I'm back. I'm gonna put it in the fridge. I'm full. Hey, so Tim, it's safe. I still have this. I hate sparkling drinks. This was like fridge for a week. I know for a fact to buy land. Guys, I also went to. Remember, guys, I said I'm gonna go home. I just haven't said when because. At home they have Wi-Fi, right? But the Wi-Fi is very slow, and yeah. So I went and I got these. I'm gonna go home with it. Apparently this one is stronger than what we got in the village. When I was at home, we went to a Port Shepstone, no, a Shady Center, and we applied for. I hope I'm not dirty in my mouth and stuff because I was eating, but nonetheless, that Wi-Fi is very, very slow. I don't think it's slow, but obviously ekhaya baningi abantu, so I don't know. We're just not happy with it, so we're gonna try this and see what happens. It's unlimited as well, so. But we just need something stronger. So my younger brother is the one who suggested that they should get this. He said he made his research and it's good. So yeah, I just didn't vlog because I forgot my camera. I didn't forget my camera, guys. I just iba sebhegini, and yeah, let me put it here because I'm not gonna pack anytime soon. So that's about it. And what am I gonna do? Guys, I don't know how long this vlog is, but I like this look. I thought I was gonna take this thing off before I go home. I'm just gonna keep this puffy I'm just gonna keep this puffy look. My lips are so dry. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this puffy look for some time and ngidryise ngayo. And dibon ba what's what. because the installation it's not that bad. It's a little. Guys, let me close off this vlog. Honestly, the chest of drawers people, I spoke to them today. They said they're still not done with whatever that they need to do. So at this point, I think they'll do it. Bazogqiba ndingekho ndisemakhaya, and then they will find uNandi in the house. Or I'll tell them to just leave the things there, and then when I come back. But another thing, when I go home, I stay there for like 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Like, I'm gonna stay until the kids open school, right? But I'm not gonna stay long, because again, in August is my birthday, so I might just have to come back early so that I can sort out things for my birthday. So I'm not gonna stay there for like too long, but at least 3 weeks. 3 weeks to 3 weeks and a half. That's like a month with them. So yeah, we're gonna do that. So I don't wanna yap any longer. Let's close off this vlog. If it's not long enough, then we will pretend we didn't do this. But if it is long enough when I start editing, then guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on my next one. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video. Sometimes I feel like this channel is not growing, because even the people who are watching this channel are not helping the channel to grow. Because guys, we have to ask even for the smallest little things, like just like the video. It helps the algorithm. It helps the YouTube to push it to other people, because the people who are watching your channel are liking the video. You will have 8,000 or 10,000 views with less than 1,000 likes. That is why I'm like, no matter how much I am pushing and posting every week, twice a week, 3 times, 4 times, no matter how consistent I am, I cannot do it without your guys' help. So don't just enjoy the content, like, share the content to your family, your friends. Your entire family must be subscribed to my channel. Like the video, subscribe. Yeah, all these things that I'm asking, they are free. Pressing the like button is free. Subscribing is free. Sharing the content is also free. So no matter how consistent I am in pushing and making sure that the channel grows, I cannot do it without you guys. But now, someone, or not even someone, like a lot of you guys keep saying, tell us every vlog, you don't tell us enough to subscribe, to like the video. I'm like, but guys, I take it as everyone who watches YouTube knows exactly what to do in order for the channel to grow. I do my parts, which is creating content and posting it. You subscribe, you like the video, you share the content. You see? It's a win-win situation. Sonke City Mom gangs, they're growing, you know, but nina kusho ukuthi ni right nje. Kule number nje sihleli kuyona. Hayi futhi nje ngikhathele ukuthetha. I wonder la madumbe are right yini. Yes, because when I left them they had a funny smell. Hayi angathi right. Alright guys. Ndizowatya. Xa ndigqibowatya then ndizawupheka ubhatata. Alright. Bye guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I love you lots, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Kulungile, bye.
But coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you